Hi students, good morning. This is Anand, faculty in Commerce and Management Studies, BRR and GKR Degree College, Palakollu. Okay, so now we are discussing fifth semester final Bcom vocational students, Adikavi Nannaya University. Okay, the subject title Banking Theory and Practice. Banking Theory and Practice. Okay, this is the fifth semester one of the paper. So I am deal with this paper. So syllabus of banking theory and paper. Okay, and practice. So in this paper, first unit introduction about banking system. Introduction about banking systems. Then second one, so what about banking systems in India? So what banks are worked in India? Then banking development system in India. Banking development system in India, that is third unit. And fourth unit deals banker and customer both relations. Okay, then fifth unit collecting banker and paying banker. Bank act as a collecting and paying banker. This is the syllabus of banking theory and practice. So this is syllabus. So first unit, now we are going to discuss the first chapter of banking theory and practice introduction part. So first of all, what is a bank? What is a bank? Bank is a financial institution. So it's accepting the institution, accepting deposits and advancing loans to people or organization. So banking is a oldest, fastest growing system in India. It is decided economy of India. So bank are used to everyone of farmers, businessmen, entrepreneurs, industries, companies, so many business also, including NRA, non-resident of India. Other countries also used by banks. Okay, so this is the banking meaning. So bank is a part of our life, right? Bank is a part of our life because of in this century we are using so many transactions through bank. Government also using transaction through banks like pensions, scholarships. Okay, so many transactions. Given any subsidy like gas subsidy, home loan subsidy, any subsidy, Dwakra subsidy, or any subsidy given by the bank, because bank is a financial institution. So it is a best institution in India. So banks are using many transactions in India. So what is definition of bank? Cross defined bank. A bank is a financial intermediary, a dealer in loans and debts. Okay, this is the first definition. According to Crowther, a bank is a dealer in debts, his own and people. These two are definitions of banking. Okay, this is the meaning and definitions of banking. Clear? So next, the first question and important question in semester examination: functions of commercial banks. The functions of commercial of banks is four types, mainly four types. First one is primary functions. First one is primary function, secondary function, development functions and modern functions. In last century or this century adding these functions. Okay, so first one is primary function, secondary function, development function and modern functions. These are the primary functions of commercial banks. Okay, commercial banks. Now we are discussing one by one. Okay, so first one is accepting deposits. Accepting deposit. Accepting deposits from whose savings, who people are maintained savings, that saving amount will collected from people as a deposit, that is called deposit. Okay, is it clear? So accepting deposit from the people. So what is deposit? Deposits are four types. Okay, deposit means not only, deposit means only cash. Okay, only cash received from the employees to banks. Okay, that is deposit. Okay, deposits are mainly four types: FD, RD, CD and SD. First one is okay, first one is FD, means fixed deposit. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit means a deposit, cash collected from the people, a long term, 5 years, maximum 5 years of deposit. Then second important key, a single amount, not only installments, only single amount can taken as a fixed deposit. Okay, single amount at a time, single time, one time. Okay, single amount taken from the who are maintained savings. Okay, so okay, then second one is RD. Recurring deposit. So recurring deposit, it is a based on installments, monthly, okay, monthly, weekly, 2 months, quarterly. So whatever it is, depending upon the people needed. Okay, recurring deposit is the one of the deposit. Then current deposit, third one, current deposit. Current deposit, some needed eligible, that is compulsory maintained business. So businessmen are taken current deposit account in the bank. Okay, and in this account there is no withdraw, no deposit limits. There is no withdraw limit. no withdrawal limit, no, and no deposit limit. And also not given interest, not given any interest to the businessman. So that is current deposit. Compare with fixed deposit and recurring deposit. Fixed deposit interest rate is very high and recurring deposit interest rate low. Okay, this is low interest rate, this is high interest rate. Okay na? Then fourth one, saving deposits. Fourth one, saving deposits. SD stands for saving saving deposits. Saving deposits given to the common people who are wanted to normal deposits or normal savings. Okay, in this account there is maximum limit 40,000 transaction, withdraw transaction per day withdraw, and deposit also some limit, deposit also some limit depending upon the bank. Some banks are different and some banks are different, that's why I am not shown exact amount. Okay, so in this savings deposit given to the 2.5 to 3.5% of interest rate. Clear? Okay, fine. So these are the different types of deposits. So next one, okay, next one, advancing loans. Banks are given term loans to who are needed. It is a only secure loans. It is given only secure loans to each and every organization or industries or people, but banks are compulsory needed of any security for loan. So advancing loans. Okay, then creation of credit. Creation of credit, it means the banks are creation of credit. Why? Because any person taken the loans, the banks are given amount to in favor of bank account only, in favor of bank account only, not given any cash, no cash. Okay, only favor of customer account. Okay, then fourth one, check system of payment funds. Check is a negotiable instrument. Okay, it is a paper format. I will give you. Okay, account name, okay, amount, okay, bank account number, signature. Okay, so this is the check format. If you want to pay any fees, for example, you want to pay 500 rupees to Rama. Okay, so Rama, okay, 500 in numerics and in words also, and signature, then cross check. It means only pay to the account, no cash transaction. So this is a check. So check system of payment funds. It is in case of Rama cannot be taken, cannot be available in the bank nearest area. So Rama given to the any other person, any sent to the any person, self, no crossing. Okay, with no crossing. So this is the check format, check system of payment of funds. If you want to pay amount any person, that time you will give your check to that person. Okay, this is the check system of payment funds. Okay, then secondary functions, banking secondary functions. Secondary functions mainly two types, agency functions and general utility functions. First one is agency functions and second one is general utility functions. Okay, in agency function, first one is collection and payment of credit. Collection and payment of credit. First of all, what is collection? Collection, payment. Okay, so payment, first payment means bank can pay any rent, okay, rent, taxes, insurance, etc. Okay, so bank is a one of the your representative for payment of your credits, not bank rates, payment of your credits like rent, taxes, insurance, etc. Whatever it is, you can pay. Next, also mobile recharge, okay, DTH recharges, all payments done. Okay, then collection. Any person given to a check of you, so given to a check, so you can collection, you can given to your bank, so you can submit it to your bank. So your bank as a your representative, so collection of your payment from that customer, so this is a collection and payment of your credits. Okay, so this is the first point, agency function. Then sale and purchase of securities. Sale and purchase of securities. So securities means shares, debentures. Okay, shares two types, equity shares and preference shares. So equity shares, preference shares or debentures, all are sale or purchase instead of customer. So the banker act as a sale and purchase of securities instead of customers. Then bullion trading. What is bullion? Bullions means gold, silver, diamonds. These are trading. What is trade? Trade means sale and purchases. Sale and purchases towards customers. Towards customer. So these 3 points are agency functions. Main points of agency functions: collection and payment of credit. Second one is sale and purchase of securities, and third one bullion trading. So this is the agency functions. Then general utility services. General utility services. Banks are given locker facility. Banks are given locker facility. In this locker you can keep your valuable documents. Keep your valuable documents, gold, silver, jewelry, okay, whatever it is you can keep in locker. It is a purely secured. It is a purely secured with nominal annual rent basis. Nominal annual rent based. Then second one is issuing letter of credit. Issuing letter of credit. It means the banker issue a letter of credit. Any credit. It means credit confirmation letters. Credit confirmation letters to your customers. Your customers or whatever it is. So banks are issuing letter of credit for their customers. Okay, next, acting as a underwriters. Bank will collected underwriter commission. Bank will collected underwriter commissions or other brokerages commissions, interest. So that type of all things are collected for customer, for his customer. So acting as a underwriters. Next, issuing of travel checks. Issuing of travel checks. It means credit cards. Travel check means credit cards. So many members don't know about credit card and debit card. I will clearly explain. Listen carefully. Right? What is debit card? What is credit card? Debit card means first you deposited into the cash in your account. First you deposit in your account, deposit of cash in your account. After you will used, that is called debit card. In case, for example, you can deposit 10,000 on 12th June 2020. Okay, then 6,000 used on 13/6/2020. So remaining balance 4,000. Okay, next 15th June 2020 you want to pay your LIC amount. What is that? LIC amount. The amount is 5,000. In case you want to pay the amount not debited in your account, because of it is in your account only 4,000 balance, so insufficient balance, so you can deposit your amount, after that you will pay. That is called debit card. Okay, then credit card. Credit card means banks are given some limit amount, 50,000, 30,000, 25,000, depending upon your CIBIL score. What is that? CIBIL score. CIBIL is one of the scoring or rating institution from 300 to 900 score. Okay, the best score is more than 750 is the 750 or plus is the best score. Depending upon the CIBIL score, banks are given credit cards to their customers. If 50,000 given, so you not have any deposit at this time. So first you will use 5,000. 12, 6, 20, 13, 6, 20, 10,000, total amount you are using 15,000 this month. So you want to pay this amount next 50 days. It means next 50 days with no interest. It means free of interest. In case you are not pay within 15 days, interest will be charged from the customer. So this is the credit card. Okay, this is debit card. First, so you not deposit, first using your amount, you want the amount whatever it is depending upon your limit. After that you will pay within the 50 days. There is no interest will be charged from the customer. In case you are crossing the limit 50 days due date, so the bank will collect the some rate of interest depending upon the different banks. That's why I am not given exact interest rate. Okay, so this is debit card and credit card. So issuing of travel check means credit card. So credit card used internationally. So internationally using of credit cards, but debit card only used in India. Some cards in latest cards, some cards are used international also. Okay. This is the issuing of travel checks. Next, issuing of checks, gift checks. So customer want to give any gift for his relative or family members as a check. That time banks are given issuing of gift checks also, like 1 rupee, 51, 101, okay, 501, 1001. These type checks are given as a gift to your relatives or family members. So this is the issuing of gift checks. Then last one, in general utility services or merchant banking services. Merchant means purchase or sales. Purchase of sales in through POS. POS means point of sale. Okay, point of sales like swiping machines, that type. So it is also used as a merchant banking system. You want to purchase anything, immediately paying through POS system, point of sale like swiping machine. Swiping machines. Okay, these are the general utility services. So in secondary functions there is two types. First one is agency functions and second one is general utility services. Okay, then third one, development functions. Development functions. The first point of development functions, improve of savings. Improve of savings. So how to improve of savings? Any customer taken a loan from the bank, that time the banks are given the amount in favor of his account. That's why he will compulsory taken savings account. Compulsory the customer taken savings account from the bank. So in this case, so compulsory he necessity savings for repay that loan. So this is the important point. Okay, so improve of savings. Then extension of financial services to rural area. So India is a developing country, not a developed country, because of rural areas are so many in poor peoples. Okay, so in rural area, extension banks their branches. Extension banks their branches in rural area also. And difference between cities or towns and rural areas comparison, interest rate will be changed. In cities, rate of interest, for example, 5%. In rural areas, loan situations, 3%. Because of rural people all are not developed in the country. That's why banks are extension their branches financial services to rural area. These rural areas are charged low in rate of interest, lowest rate of interest by the banks. Then third one, making loans to weaker section of society. Making loans to weaker section of society. So in the society, weaker sections means poor people. Okay, poor people. So making loans to poor people in the society, it is a social activity. So banks are given to loans weaker sections and also given subsidy by government of India. Okay, government of India given some rate of interest subsidy. Subsidy means deduction. Okay, so this is the making loans to weaker section of society. And next one, modern functions. So this is the latest functions. This is latest functions. The first function of ATM. ATM full form. ATM full form, you know? ATM means automated teller machine, not a anytime money, not a anytime murder. Okay, so correct definition, correct full form of ATM, automated teller machine. Automated teller machine. So ATM how to use to the customers. So ATM 24/7. So 24 hours you can withdraw from bank. 24 hours you can withdraw from banks. And recently joined a new function, CDM full form cash deposit mission. This is also one of the ATM part. This is 24/7 you can deposit. Okay, 24/7. Why I am saying 24/7? Banks are worked only morning 10 to evening 4 o'clock. Okay, so if you want another time before 10 o'clock or after 4 o'clock or holidays time, you can choose withdraw deposit from ATM. So this is the very important function. Okay, then smart cards. We are already discussed about smart cards. What is smart card? Smart card means travel checks or credit cards. Smart cards or credits are both are same in terms. Okay, then telebanking means customer know about his account balance, can miscall the one number from his phone without internet. Some miscall the one of the number given by the bank, different banks, different numbers. So you will miscall that number. After that, immediately receiving a message of your entire balances of your bank. Okay, and mini statement also given through telebanking. This is also important. And latestly, most important part, internet banking. So banks are given internet facility to all customers. Okay, so the internet facility you are using, so payments anytime, okay, receipt anytime, you can choose your bank statements, you can want to see your balances anytime with internet or smartphones. Okay, whatever it is, through internet connections. So these are the total functions of commercial banks. First one, just I repeat key points only. Okay, listen carefully. This is most important question in semesters. Okay, first one, primary function. Primary function, 4 types. First one is accepting deposits. First one, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, current deposit and savings deposit. Saving deposit account given to the public, current deposit account given to the businessmen or enterprises. RD means recurring deposit. You can deposit monthly wise, installment wise. Okay, some given some rate of interest. Fixed deposit means a single deposit at a time, given best rate of interest compared with remaining three. So second one is advancing loans. Banks are given pure secure loans only, maximum. Okay, the third one, creation of credit. At the time of bank loan taken a bank loan of his customer, the banks are given in favor of his account, no cash. That's why creation of credit, it is one of the capitalistic economy. So check system of payment funds. So any customer want to pay amount to another one, so you can give your check to Another one, the person will take the amount instead of you. Check system also given by banks. This is the primary functions. And second one is secondary functions. Secondary functions means first one agency functions and general utility services. In agency functions, collection, payment of credit, collection and payment of credit. Collection means banks are collect any amount instead of customer. Banks are pay any amount instead of customer. Payment means rent, insurance, power bills, electricity bill, okay, whatever it is. Collection means any rate of any interest, commission, brokerage, like that, okay. Then sale purchase of securities. Securities means shares, equity shares, preference shares and debentures. All are sale and purchase of securities. Next, bullion trading. Bullion means gold, silver, diamonds, like jewelries, okay. So all are trading. Trade means sale and purchases. Then general utility services. So locker facility given by the bank. Locker facility means you have to keep your valuable documents, gold, jewelry, whatever it is, okay. You can keep your documents this locker will be charged a nominal rent per annum. Then issuing letter of credit. So banks are given letter of credit instead of customers, okay. Then acting as a underwriters. So banks are collection from your customers as commission, underwriter commissions, bullions, whatever it is, okay. Then issuing of travel checks. Travel checks means credit cards. So credit card, so banks are given the credit cards depending upon the CIBIL score. So the credit card amount you will use after within the 15 days due date you will pay. In case before 50 days you will not pay, after 50 days bank will charge some rate of interest. Then issuing of gift check. Customer want to pay gift through banks. So any relative or family members, banks are given gift checks instead of his customers. Merchant banking services. Merchant banking facility also given by the banks. So these are the secondary functions, agency functions and general utility services. These two are secondary functions. Then third one, development functions. Improve of savings, extension financial services to rural area, making loans to weaker section of society. Weaker section means poor people. Poor people in society, cities or towns, okay. Then rural area, because of rural areas are developing areas, that's why extension of financial services in rural area compare with cities. Rural area rate of interest very low, okay. Then modern functions. First one is ATM full form automated teller machine. So you can deposit or withdraw through ATM anytime, anywhere. Then second one is smart cards. Smart card means credit cards. or debit cards, whatever it is. Okay, using smart cards you can deposit, withdraw from ATM. Telebanking, customer want to know his account balance through a missed call or mini statement or whatever it is. Through internet, smartphone, internet banking is smartphone, using smartphone, so customer know about his balance, mini statements, payments, whatever it is, done through the internet banking. So students, these are the functions of commercial banks in India. Okay, thank you.